My dear student, today I want to discuss some more important problem in which we have to show that objective function is whether objective function is maximum or minimum. Maximize z is equal to minus x plus 2y subject to constraints are x greater than equal to 3, first condition, x plus y greater than equal to 5, and x plus 2y greater than equal to 6, and xy greater than equal to 0. Now by taking help of the objective function and these constraints, we want to solve this problem. We want to get maximum value of this z. Given equation and inequations, z is equal to minus x plus 2y is the objective function, x greater than equal to 3, x plus y greater than equal to 5, x plus 2y greater than equal to 6, x greater than equal to 0, and y greater than equal to 0. So these are the equation and inequations. Now my dear students, first we draw the graph of the line x plus y is equal to 5. So we here want to make table, put x is equal to 0, x plus y is equal to 5, and we want to find the, my dear students, we want to make a table. By taking help, we will draw the graph. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 5. X is equal to 5, then y is equal to 0. Now by putting 0, 0 in the inequality, x plus y greater than equal to 5, we have 0 greater than equal to 5, which is false. So half plane is away from the origin. Secondly, graph of x plus 2y is equal to 6. Now we put x is equal to 0, so y is equal to 3. X is equal to 6, so y is equal to 0. Now we put the value of coordinate of origin, then 0 greater than equal to 6. So the half plane is away from the origin. 0 is not greater than equal to 6, which is false. So now, thirdly, draw the graph of the line minus x plus 2y is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 0. Put x is equal to 0, so y is equal to half. X is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. X minus 1. So y is equal to 0. Putting 0, 0 in the inequality, we have minus x plus 2y greater than equal to 1. So we have 0 greater than 1, which is false. So the half plane is away from the origin. Since the half plane is away from the origin, x greater than equal to 3 and y greater than equal to 0. So the feasible region lies in the first quadrant. The point of intersection of lines x is equal to 3 and minus x plus 2y is equal to 1 is equal to 3, 2. And point of intersection of the line x plus 2y is equal to 6 and x plus y is equal to 5. It is 4, 1. Consider it is B. In this way, we can see that feasible region is unbounded. The corner points of the feasible region are A. This is A, 6, 0. A, 6, 0. And also B, 4, 1. B, 4, 1. Of the feasible region are A, 6, 0, B, 4, 1, and C, 3, 2. The value of Z at these points are as follows. Corner point, and this is objective function. A 6, 0, minus 6, B 4, 1, minus 2, C 3, 2, 1. So maximum value is 1. as the feasible region is unbounded, therefore z is equal to 1 may or may not be the maximum value. For this we check the graph of inequality minus x plus 2y greater than 1. Minus x plus 2y greater than 1. Now to check maximum value, we see the graph and observe that the plane has points in common with the feasible region or not. If the resulting feasible region has points in common with the feasible region, hence z has no maximum value. No maximum value. See here. This area is common. This area is common. This area is common. So, the part of x plus 2y, x plus 2y greater than equal to 6. So, this will lie upward side of the x-axis. And also, this is minus x plus 2y is equal to 1. So, minus x plus 2y is equal to 1. Minus x plus 2y. Minus x plus 2y greater than 1. Here we want to get maximum value. So it will lie also upward side of x-axis. Upward side of x-axis. So there is common between feasible, some part of the feasible region is common in unbounded region. So the resulting feasible region has points in common with the feasible region. Hence, z has no maximum value. If there will be no points common, then we'll get maximum or minimum value. So, my dear student, in this way we solve this problem. Now, minimize and maximize z is equal to x plus 2y. Subject to constraint are x plus 2y greater than equal to 100. 2x minus y less than equal to 0, 2x plus y less than equal to 200, and xy greater than 0. Given equation and inequation are objective functions. Z is equal to x plus 2y. Subject to constraints are x plus 2y greater than equal to 100, 2x minus y less than equal to 0, 2x plus y less than equal to 200, and x greater than 0, y greater than 0. Firstly, draw the graph of the line x plus 2y is equal to 100. So, if x is equal to 0, y is equal to 50, and x is equal to 100, y is equal to 0. By putting 0, 0 in the inequation, x plus 2y greater than equal to 100, we have 0 greater than equal to 100, which is false. So, the half plane is away from the origin. Secondly, we draw the graph of line 2x minus y is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0. X is equal to 10. Y is equal to 20. By putting 5, 0 in the inequality, 2x minus y less than equal to 0, we have 10 less than 0, which is false. So the half plane is towards y-axis. We draw the graph of 2x minus y is equal to 0. And thirdly, we draw the graph of 2x plus y less than equal to 200. That is, we draw the graph of 2x plus y is equal to 200. 2x plus y is equal to 200 by putting 0, 0 in the inequality, 2x plus y less than equal to 200. We have 0, 0 less than equal to 200. So, the half plane is towards the origin. Half plane is towards the origin. Now, therefore, the feasible region lies in the first quadrant. On solving equation 2x minus y is equal to 0 and x plus 2y is equal to 100, we have x is equal to 20 and y is equal to 40. So coordinate of B is equal to 20, 40, and on solving the equation 2x minus y is equal to 0 and 2x plus y is equal to 100. Coordinate of C will be 50, 100. Now required corner points of the feasible region A is 0, 50, 20, 40, C is 50, 100, and D is 0, 200. So now what do you observe? By putting the coordinate of a 0, 50, we have 100, 20, 40, we have 100, and 50, 100, we have 250, and 0, 200, we have 400. So there are two minimum points, A and B, and maximum is at 0, 200. So the maximum value of Z is 400 at D0, 200, and the minimum value of Z is 100 at all points on the line segment joining A 0, 50 and 20, 40. So my dear students, in this way we can solve this problem. Now I want to discuss question number 10. Maximize Z is equal to x plus y subject to constants are x minus y less than minus 1, minus x plus y less than equal to 0, and x comma y greater than equal to 0. Given equation and equations, Z is equal to x plus y, subject to constants are x minus y less than minus 1, minus x plus y less than equal to 0, x greater than 0, y greater than 0. First we draw the graph of the line x minus y is equal to minus 1. By putting 0, 0 in the inequality, we have x minus y less than minus 1, and we have 0 less than equal to minus 1, which is false. So the half plane is away from the origin. Away from the origin. Second, we draw the graph of the line minus x plus y is equal to 0. So x0, y0, x1, y1. Putting 0, 0 in the inequality, we have minus x plus y less than equal to 0, which is true. So the half plane is towards the x-axis, since xy greater than equal to 0. So the feasible region lies in the first quadrant. From the above graph, it is clearly shown that there is no common region, hence there is no feasible region, and thus Z has no maximum value because there is no common feasible region, so there is no maximum value. In this way you can solve different types of problem. I hope you have followed me and you will try your best to solve the problem of NCERT and also the problem which had been asked in the CBSE board examination. Thank you very much.